Essentials of a recording system. The recording system should be one that can be easily used by the organization staff. It should also be in sync with the organization's work pattern. Thus, while developing the system, we need to first understand the information flow in the organization. For example, suppose you are a legal aid organization that has a secretariat office in the capital city and branch offices in different districts. The branch offices have a legal aid cell to which people can approach with complaints. The lawyers at the branch office work with the secretariat to identify issues for strategic litigation, as well as for advocacy with the state and other human rights mechanisms, both at the national and international level. Information flow in this organization can be classified into three levels: clients submitting complaints at the legal aid office in the districts, district legal aid office sharing information about the clients with the secretariat, and district legal aid office and secretariat developing press releases or statements or submitting human rights reports to human rights mechanisms. Let's study each of these levels closely. Information flow level 1. So at the first level, a complaint intake form is required. Such form must record all the entities discussed earlier. Now, in a month, it is possible that the district offices receive 100 complaints. It is not possible to make photocopies of all these 100 intake forms and send to the secretariat. At level 2, it is advisable that summaries of the complaint forms are prepared. Such summaries can be made by using the Excel format discussed earlier. While making the summaries, one should use controlled vocabularies, where specific descriptors should be used to categorize problems of a similar nature. Specific descriptors should also be used to categorize the positions of state officers or occupations of the complainants, legal status of the complainants, and so on. In order to do this, the organization needs to provide training to its staff. For example, the training could be on human rights violations, so that the person summarizing the information knows whether it is a case of arbitrary detention or torture or extrajudicial killing. In addition, the organization may need to give its staff an overview about the different law enforcement agencies that have the authority to intervene in a particular area, such as with army units, paramilitary units, police, and so on. This will help the staff to categorize correctly the position of the alleged perpetrators. At level 3, the persons concerned, say the managers of the district legal aid offices or staff at the secretariat, should be able to analyze the information tabulated. They should be able to conduct specified searches to understand the pattern of complaints that are being received and consequently develop their advocacy strategy. We have reached the end of this lesson. You should now be able to understand the need to record information, explain how first information should be recorded by developing standard formats, discuss the use of controlled vocabularies, and apply the principle of information retrieval and set up an appropriate recording system.